Here's a birthday special for you, Noah the Smoke Alarm Kid. Today I'm going to be showing you my 3 P4010s. My P4010 ACS and my 2 P4010 DCSWs. And why don't we add the KNCOs and BRFs? Here they are. Starting out with the 2 P4010 DCSWs. Why don't we start with those?
Testing. This is very loud. Press now to cancel test. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire. Test complete.
Alright, over here we have a P4010 ACS. Let's test it. Sounds very much the same as these two. Just the voice is kind of distorted.
Testing. This is very loud. Press now to cancel test. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire. Test complete.
Next next are these two Kidda KNCOs and BRFs. Let's test this one.
Fire.
What the?
Fire.
What the? That isn't supposed to happen.
Warning, carbon monoxide. Warning, carbon monoxide. Warning, carbon monoxide. Warning, carbon monoxide.
That isn't supposed to happen. It shouldn't be doing 3. This one shouldn't be doing 3 rounds. Okay. We hopefully you like this video. I wish you a happy birthday and a Merry Christmas. Noah the Smoke Alarm Kid. Bye.